Welcome to the lecture series of Mechanics of Solids. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about couple. Outline of the session. In this session, we will learn about couple, types of couple, arm of couple, moment of couple, example of couple, and characteristic of couple. So let us start with couple. In the figure, the steering of car can be seen. During the car driving, a car driver applies two equal, opposite, parallel forces whose line of action are not same. So due to the effect of such forces, the steering rotates. Such forces form a couple. In this figure, we can see two different equal, opposite and parallel forces separated by some distance makes a couple. Such forces will create the rotating effect on any body. So such forces are applied by a driver on the steering and the steering rotates. Due to such couple, rotating action on the body can be created. Here in this case we can see the resultant force is zero because two forces are equal and opposite. So couple acting on a body do not create any translatory motion of the body. So the object on which couple acts, it will not move, but such couple creates only rotational motion. So such body on which couple acts, it rotates. So let us define the couple. So two equal, opposite and parallel forces whose line of action are different form a couple. The resultant force or net force of such couple is zero. Hence, any couple acting on a body do not create any translatory motion of that particular body, but it creates only rotational motion of the body. Now let us see types of couple. Basically, two types of couples are there: clockwise couple and anti-clockwise couple. So couple who create the moment in clockwise direction, such a couple is called clockwise couple, and a couple which create the moment in anti-clockwise direction, such couple is called anti-clockwise couple. Here two couples are there which are having two equal opposite parallel forces P, but here this couple creates moment in clockwise direction, so it is called clockwise couple, whereas this forces creates a couple here in anti-clockwise direction, so it is called anti-clockwise couple. Clockwise couple rotates a body in clockwise direction and it is considered as positive, and anti-clockwise couple rotates a body in anti-clockwise direction and such couple are taken as negative. Now let us see one more terminology related to couple, that is arm of couple. So here in this case we can see in this couple these two forces are separated by this distance A. So such perpendicular distance between the line of action of forces which forms a couple, such distance is called arm of couple. So here in both the case, the perpendicular distance between the two line of action of forces which forms a couple, it is A, and such distance is called arm of couple. So let us define it. The perpendicular distance between the line of action of two forces forming couple is known as arm of couple. So here A is arm of couple. Moment of couple. So we know that moment that is equal to force into distance. So here in this system of forces, two forces P are there which is having perpendicular distance A, and these two forces create a rotational action on the body. It creates a moment. So moment of couple that is equal to force into arm of couple. So here force is P and arm of couple is A, and moment of couple is denoted as M. So we can write M is equal to P into A. The unit of force is Newton, or it may be kilonewton, and the unit of distance that is meter. We can write unit of couple. So the unit of couple may be kilonewton into meter or newton into meter. So now let us see the field example of couple. The very first example is key. The force applied to the key of a lock while locking or unlocking it, the couple is applied. The second field example is steering of wheel. In steering of wheel, forces applied on a steering of a wheel of a car by two hands to steer the car towards left or right. That is the example of couple. And to open or close the wheel valve of water supply line, it is also the example of couple. Now let us see the characteristic of couple. We know the couple is made up of two equal, opposite and parallel forces. So the algebraic sum of forces forming the couple is always zero. This is the first characteristic of couple. Algebraic sum of forces forming the couple is always zero. The algebraic sum of moment of the forces forming couple about any given point is same and is equal to the moment of couple itself. So let us prove it. So in this figure we can see a couple is there and this is a point O. Now we want to work out the moment of couple about this point. So let us work out moment of these two forces about this point. Here the force is P. We want to work out moment of these forces about point O. So in this force system, two forces are there. Let us first work out moment due to this force P, which creates the moment in anti-clockwise direction. So let us consider such moment as negative moment. Distance of this force to O, that is A plus x. Now moment due to this force will be in clockwise direction. Let us take it as positive. Force is P. Distance of this force from O point is x. Now let us simplify it. On simplifying it, we have got the moment of these forces about O point is minus P into A. Now let us work out moment of the couple. We know that moment of couple, that is force into arm, and this couple is in anti-clockwise direction, so it will be minus. So from this we can say the algebraic sum of moment of forces forming couple about any given point is same and it will equal to moment of couple itself. Next characteristic is about balance of couple. A couple cannot be balanced by a single force, but it can be balanced by a couple but of opposite nature. So suppose this couple is to be balanced, we need to apply another couple which is having opposite nature. So this couple is in anti-clockwise direction. We need to apply another couple which is having same force and arm, but it is in opposite direction. The next characteristic is about moment of number of couple. If number of coplanar couple are acting on a body, then they can be reduced to a single couple whose magnitude will be equal to the algebraic sum of moment of all couple. So in any system, suppose three couples are acting, so we can convert these three couple into a single couple, and the magnitude of this single couple will be equal to algebraic sum of moment of all these couples. So this all about couple. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt or query, please write in the comment box. I will definitely solve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.